So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Pisces and Moon Venus rising from today till the 11th of May. Rules can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if it's not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me and for personal reading and healing sessions, links are given below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, two links are given below in the description box. So, let's start. Pisces, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with their current feelings for you right now, we have the moon card and the five of cups and the five of pentacles. This is the like most saddest kind of energy that I got today in any all the readings. Pisces, this is your card. Whenever they think about you, they are getting upset. They're having a lot of guilt and or regret and a lot of this energy of feeling left out in the cold, and they're sensing the loss, counting the losses, like whatever losses and whatever loss they have gone through because of this situation between you and them. They're trying to figure out a way out of this person is deeply sad, deeply upset, deeply sad, have a lot of regret and or guilt regarding whatever is happening or whatever happened, and they're feeling left out in the cold. They're feeling like nobody is able to understand them and understand their position, understand their energies. Somebody is deeply in sadness, deeply in this energy of what the hell happened. I cannot survive this pain, I cannot handle this pain. So they are in very much pain right now, a lot of pain, regret, guilt, a lot, every kind of losses that they're experiencing because of this issue. For some of you, this person is feeling abandoned by you. If not by you, abandoned by the love and relationship situation in their life, that they keep on attracting the same kind of energy, the same kind of outcome all the time. And right now, because of this pain, this painful energy, they are going through spiritual awakening, knowingly or unknowingly. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Judgment, the Eight of Cups, and the Temperance. So they want to get out of this pain. They want to release the situation, release the pain, release you, and they want to keep moving ahead in their life. And very patiently, they are waiting for the time when they will be able to overcome this situation, let go of this energy of pain, and forgive you, or maybe seek forgiveness from your side, even if not asking for it directly, but they are seeking for forgiveness, either like they want to forgive you and or they want forgiveness from your side. Whatever the case may be, this person wants to patiently wait for the time when they will be able to move on from this completely, and they will be able to get out of this pain that they're experiencing right now because of this situation. See, from the exterior, you can say in the 3D world, they might be all happy and all normal and all stable and something. Inside of them, they're crying. This person is surely not being able to sleep at night, thinking about whatever is happening. Maybe they are indulging in a lot of alcohol or drinking and everything so that they can numb the pain. And they're waiting for the time when they are going to be seriously out of the pain that they're experiencing because of this whole situation. They are not happy at all. This person is very sad and depressed, and they just want to be happy. They just want to get out of this. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 11th of May, honey. We have the Knight of Wands, the Queen of Swords, the Ten of Swords. Although this is a card of action, Knight of Wands and Queen of Swords both, Ten of Swords is telling me that they are going to have a very strong urge and a desire to like come forward towards you and maybe fight with you or something, create some kind of drama or issue. But the exact moment when they are about to do that, they are not going to do that. They are going to be like, no, what is the use of going in that direction? Because I am hurt, I should not hurt Pisces. You can expect some kind of message communication from their side. It's not going to be like something very stable, very loving, caring, or nurturing. It might be something that's going to hurt you because they are themselves hurt. So they might end up hurting you, even if this is not their core intention to hurt you. Their intention here is to somewhat clear the air with you in some way. But it's like texting the message, texting a whole paragraph and then deleting it, about to call you, then not doing it. And even if they are going to like send the paragraph, they are going to delete it like immediately. If they are going to call you, either they are going to not call you properly, or if they are going to call you, they can say that it was by mistake or something like that. So I don't see a proper communication, I don't see a proper energy of wanting to correct things with you or make it work out with you or somehow. being in this energy of, okay, let's do something about it. No, no, it's different. Okay, for you the guidance here is the Justice card. Now you have to do the right thing, you have to choose the right direction, the wise direction, the things that you know are good for you, the things that you know are good for you on a soul level, on a human level. Think before you are going to make any kind of life changing decision, and just do the right thing, whatever is right in your case. I cannot pinpoint that this is the right thing to do. Okay, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.